If you've been looking for how to change your password in Claude AI, there's an important detail you need to know right away. Claude AI does not work like a traditional app with a normal password that you can simply update inside settings. So in this video, I'm going to explain exactly how Claude Login works, what options you actually have, and what to do if you want to secure or change access to your account. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. First, the key thing to understand is that Claude AI does not use a standard password system. That means there usually isn't a password box inside Claude where you enter an old password and create a new one like you would with other websites. Instead, Claude uses one of two sign-in methods when you create your account. The first method is Google Sign In. With this option, Claude connects to your Google account and you sign in using your existing Google credentials. In this case, Claude itself is not holding a separate password. Your access is tied to your Google account, so if you want to change how you log in, you would manage that through your Google account security settings. The second method is Email Magic Link. With this option, Claude sends you a one-time login link to your email address every time you sign in. That means there is no permanent Claude password to change. Instead, your access depends on having control of that email inbox. If someone has access to your email, they could potentially sign in using the magic link, so keeping your email secure becomes very important. So if you came here expecting to find a classic change password button inside Claude, the short answer is that you probably won't find one, because Claude is designed differently. What you can do is secure the account that Claude uses for login. If you use Google Sign-In, open your Google account security settings and make sure your password is strong, your recovery email is current, and two-step verification is turned on. That gives you a much better level of protection for your Claude access. If you ever think someone else might know your Google password, changing your Google password is the real step you need to take. If you use Email Magic Link, go to your email provider and update that email account's password instead. Again, Claude itself isn't storing a separate password, so protecting the email account is the most important part. Also, if you're signed in on shared devices, be sure to log out when you're done and check for any other active sessions in your email to account. Now, if your goal is simply to regain access because you can't log in, try the sign-in method you originally used. If you signed up with Google, use the same Google account. If you signed up with email, request a new magic link from the Claude sign-in page and check your inbox, spam folder, and promotions tab if needed. And if you want to be extra safe, review your Claude account settings and your connected account permissions from the provider side. Since Claude relies on your Google account or email account, those are the places where real security changes happen. So to recap, Claude AI does not have a traditional password you can change inside the app. You either use Google Sign-In or an email magic link, and the best way to secure your account is by updating the password and security settings for the login method you use. If this video helped clear things up, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want a step-by-step guide on securing your Google account or email account next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.